Welcome back to Product Critique, your trusted source for honest product reviews and recommendations. Today, we have an exciting herbal tea to discuss, and it's claimed to be the best tea for liver detox available in the market. This is Total Tea Slimming Detox Tea, and we're here to give you all the details you need to know about this detoxifying blend. Total Tea Slimming Detox Tea is not your average tea. It's a carefully crafted herbal blend designed to support liver health, aid in digestion, and promote overall well-being.
Let's dive right into the specifics.
One of the key factors that sets this detox tea apart is its all-natural ingredients. It contains a unique combination of herbs, including chamomile, hibiscus tea, and ginger root, known for their potential to aid in liver detoxification and digestive health. It's also enriched with natural citrus and cinnamon flavors, giving it a delicious taste.
Total Tea Slimming Detox Tea is caffeine-free, making it gentle on your system.
It's designed for a 25-day detox program, which can help you feel less bloated, promote metabolism, and support your digestion.
It's a great choice if you're looking to kickstart a healthy lifestyle or simply cleanse your body. Total Tea Slimming Detox Tea offers various bundle options, allowing you to choose the one that suits your needs. Whether you want to try different flavors or pair it with complementary products, there are options available to enhance your detox experience. The pricing for Total Tea Slimming Detox Tea is competitive, especially when considering its potential health benefits. In conclusion, Total Tea Slimming Detox Tea offers a natural and flavorful way to support your liver health and promote digestion.
With numerous positive reviews from satisfied customers, it's certainly worth trying if you're looking for a reliable detox tea. That's all for today's review on Total Tea Slimming Detox Tea, the best tea for liver detox available in the market. If you've tried this tea or have any questions, please feel free to leave your comments down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on our latest product reviews.
Thank you for tuning into Product Critique, and we'll see you in the next video.